Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about graphics and specifically images. So to start with, when we want to insert an image in the text, we choose the insertion point, we click on it, we go to the Insert tab and click Pictures. We'll browse to the picture that we want, let's say this one, and we'll resize it, and this is the picture in the text. Now if we notice, when we type, the picture is moving with the text. We can click on the picture, go to Picture Tools Format, Position, and select the position. The picture will hang onto it unless we move it, or I'll undo this. We can choose the wrapping options. So in Picture Tools Format, we can click on Wrap Text, or we'll have this icon here. It gives us the same options. So we can choose, instead of inline with text, which makes the image move with the text, we can choose square, and the wrapping is in a square fashion around the image. We can choose tight, and this way the text will be more tightly wrapped around the image. We can choose top and bottom, and this way we have nothing near the image on its sides. And we can have the image in front of the text. It will hide what's underneath it. When we changed the image's layout, we notice that we have this anchor. This anchor means that the image is linked to this point in the text, even though the text is not wrapping around it. So let's add a line. We notice that the image dropped downward. We're done with positioning the image and setting its layout. Let's move to formatting. We can format with styles just like we did for the paragraphs. We can format with styles, add a border, add a shadow. These are quick styles which are ready to use. We can add a border. This is a red border, and let's choose another style. This is another style. It has a white frame. Again, I can select a red border. I can do some adjustments, so I can change the brightness and the contrast. I can recolor the image, maybe choose a custom color. This is a recolored image. Of course, I can resize the image. I can drag its corners, or go to Picture Tools Format tab, and here I can set its height and width. And if I click on this icon here next to size, I can have better control. I can choose the percentage or the height and width from here again. And if you notice, there's this tick for the lock aspect ratio. This means that the height and the width will stay proportional to each other. Yet, if I untick this, I can change the height without the width, or the opposite. So I'll make it wider without changing the height. This is a wide image. It looks distorted. Now I've formatted the image. Maybe I'm not happy with what I've formatted, so I can click on Reset Picture and all the formatting's gone, yet the resizing stayed. I can choose also the Remove Background here to remove parts of the background. I can mark the areas that I want to keep. So I want to keep these. I want to keep this, and I can mark which parts I want to remove. Now again, this is not an image editing software. It won't be very neat, but it's a quick way to remove backgrounds. So I want to delete this area, I want to delete this area, and this one, and okay, and now I have an image with the background removed. Let's continue with some effects. We already saw the border. We have other effects. We can add a shadow, for example. This image has a shadow now. We can maybe choose a bigger shadow. This is a bigger shadow. And of course, we can go for more options, shadow options. We'll have this where we can choose the color of the shadow. Now we have an orange shadow. Its transparency. We also can add a reflection. So this is a reflection. The transparency is at 50%. I can increase it to 100. And remove the blur from it. I can add a 3D rotation. These are preset rotations. So this is a rotation. Again, here in the 3D rotation, I can choose how much do I want to rotate it on every axis. These are briefly what we can do for an image. Again, I'll reset it. All of these are gone. Now let's say I've added an image and I've colored it and I've done all the formatting, yet I want to change it without losing the formatting. So I want to change the image while keeping the formatting that I did. I can click on the image, go to change picture, select another picture, and this way the borders stay, the effects stay. I lost the coloring only, and the image size stayed. So this way I can change the image without ruining my whole document. I can also crop my image. So when I select the image, go to Picture Tools Format and go to Crop. I can crop to a certain aspect ratio, and I can crop to a shape. So if I want to crop it to a heart, I can do that. So this is the image cropped to a heart. Let's undo the cropping. Moreover, I can select my image, go to Picture Tools Format, and go to Pictures Layout, where I can convert my image into a smart art. We're gonna see smart art in other videos, so this is a smart art for my image. These are presets that I can use, and I'll add some text here. So this is how we converted our image into a smart art. That was it for today. Thanks for watching.